Hey, what's going on? It's Ryan, Burnwood Bushcraft. Today I got a new flashlight, so we're going to open her up and take a look at it. This is the urFLAMP, not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, V63. You see right there on the box it says 380 lumens. Supposed to shine up to 663 meters. Runtime 760 hours, and it's magnetic. Go ahead and open her up here. Got your user manual right there. Charging cable. Got a lanyard you can attach to it. Looks like a couple extra O-rings right there. USB-C charging cable. Short one. Wow, that looks nice. It feels good too. This is a little bitty thing, man. Let's put a tape measure on this thing. About 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches. About 1.5 inches wide on the lens. Power button right here in the front. And she did. She did. I'm going to have to charge this thing up, looks like. There's your charger port right there. Let's plug her up. I'm so perplexed that I had to get the wife in here to help me out here. So, right off the bat, it says magnetic right there on the box. What's going on with my camera? Alright, so it says magnetic right there. The box says V63. The instructions that came with it says V63-S. We were looking in the instruction manual and it said that there's a magnetic piece that's supposed to screw onto the end. Well, the magnetic piece is nowhere to be found. And on Amazon you can buy it separate. Oh no, this is their website. That's what the magnetic piece is supposed to look like, and it did not come in this box, and they sell it for $9 on the urFLAMP website. You can get it in different colors. Alright, so since my wife's here, this is going to help me out. Go ahead and take this thing apart so we can all the way? Look at it. I'm going to turn on the extra light here because I know it's...
Do you want to show the battery?
Yeah, just take it apart and then we'll charge it up and go outside and use it. Okay. So literally the only thing that came, you do have an extra O-ring, and that O-ring is right here.
Shows you what comes with.
The O-ring is right there. Right there. 2 extra O-rings. This is where your battery goes. I'm going to let her do that so I can film. And the plus side is facing towards the lens. and then show, yeah, the bottom of it. I guess you can just extend the handle if you want to. The V63 is compact and practical flashlight powered by a single 18350 lithium ion battery, but can also be compatible with the 18650 lithium ion battery by unscrewing the hidden extension tube. That's what that's for.
I'm reading it.
Features Type-C charging and offers both floodlight and spotlight versions.
This flashlight is IP68 water resistant. The power button is going to show you how much battery life you have left. If it's solid green, it's 70 to 100%. Solid orange is 30 to 70%. Solid red is 10 to 30%. But if it's flashing red, it's 1 to 10%.
So if you go to the urFLAMP website, there's a lot of accessories that you can get for this thing. You can get the different length batteries. That's why the handle kind of unscrews to make it a little bit longer for different batteries. But there's a lot of different attachments that you can get. Like I said, the magnetic end that screws on the end, so you can stick it to your toolbox or whatever, or inside your vehicle, to your truck, whatever. There's a glass breaker attachment that you can put on it. Lots of different accessories, so if you want to go to the website, you can check those out. Explain the difference in the models, and obviously the model is checked on the side of the box. There's the different models, and there's the different battery options: 18350 or 18650, and you can get it in a different color. But we have the V63-S, so the paperwork that came with it is correct. And the only thing that threw me off was the fact that the box says magnetic, and the magnetic end is not in the box.
Sold separately.
Sold separately.
The V63F is for floodlight.
The F.
Is that like, yeah, the F is floodlight. Is that like brighter?
Right. I'm going to put the link to this on the Amazon link, and I'm going to put the factory website in the description so you guys can go check it all out. So I got the end of that loop through one of the little holes on the side. They run it back through. Bam. And you can still screw on. I wish I had the magnetic freaking thing right there to screw into the end of it. I don't care about that glass breaker.
Oh, I like that part.
We're gonna go outside and have a campfire here in a little bit, and then we'll go through all the modes and stuff outside. And we are green for go, baby. I think I found all my pieces of my brain. I got them back in my head after that. So let's go check out this flashlight. Press it one time, turn it on. Hold it down, stop on whichever one you want. Press it again, turn it off. Tap it twice and it goes even brighter. So you got low, medium, and high. And after you're on high, you tap it twice and it goes even brighter. Tap it one more time, turn it off. From the jump, tap it 3 times puts it in strobe. Tap it 3 more times, SOS. Tap it once, turns it on. Hold it down, it goes through the whole cycle of the different modes. You let go on whichever one you want. Tap it, turn it off. It has memory. Tap it and it goes back to the same setting, but it will not go back to strobe or the brightest. It'll go to high, low, medium, high. But the brightest, if I tap it twice, it won't do memory on that. It'll just go memory to high only. Low, medium, and high only. Decent little flashlight. The accessory part, I mean, you gotta really love this flashlight if you're gonna go buy a bunch of accessories for it. It's a decent flashlight. It's small, compact, rechargeable. It's not bad. It's not a big flashlight, but that's gonna do it for this review. Appreciate you guys watching. See you in the next one.